Hi again. So it's time for dinner. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you see on the title, today we are going to do what I eat in a day. Single talking padahin takting pangkane kahem for keeping my skin clear and what for my body video for fit body. Nak selang sana ya. Okay, now I just done my workout mà có thò mà sọc bên có thò mà sọc bên có thò I just drink a couple of water. What a couple of water?
Oh no.
500 ml of water, and then I just do fresh up or going to the bathroom and clean up all my bowels more, and then I start doing workout. And yeah, now I'm done with my workout and kapotin sim now a lot sakatin. Adding 1 scoop of protein powder and some water. After that, that's it. See, this is it, my protein. And jihi protein katon so pale, I will take bath and then clean my household, daily household. This was at all lunchtime. Okay, now it's time for lunchtime. Today we are going to make egg fried rice. This is our egg, and onion and garlic go in. After that, this is our rice. Rice go in. How new akivada, so I'm gonna add some oil and then some salt and then soybean sauce and then ginger garlic sauce. Wow, nice color. Adding green chili and red chili. For the last, we are going to add onion leaf, spring onion. This is the sakmel. This is the meal. This is it, our fried rice, looking so good. Today, the whole day we are going to eat. Stay tuned, okay? Okay guys, we are done with the fried rice. This is for my lunch, as you see. It's so beautiful. Okay, let's start digging. Ooh. Hey. So good. Okay, now we are done with our lunch, and that tumzo pakule. We are going to have some snack.
Oh no.
Maybe not so idle, but I'm cut. Okay, stay tuned. For our snacks, we are going to make falada with these cashew nuts and almond nuts, amul, and falada. We are going to fry this. Fry. And then follow the We are going to fry with some oil and start cooking our meal. What meal is it? Meal. Meal. Adding some sugar for sweetness. Yes, and adding the follow the ingredients. Let's say ingredients. Kakang kamo. And for the last, we are adding the nuts and kismis. We are done with making faldas. Very easy, very tasty, and very yummy. Looks good. And here we got some mix: mangan chana, muri, cabbage, onion, cucumber, salt, and kamtao. And this is our falada. Hey, we are done with our lunch, and this is for our snack. It's already almost 5. Yeah, this is it. Yeah. Oh, this is cucumber. Jinnalang cho aning da pungka. Ooh. Thum talo daw tayo. Okay, that's all for our snake. Snake, that muted button. Okay, that's all for our snacks. Yeah, very twist and very healthy, but the sugar is very many. Okay, no problem. Okay, now we are going to wait for our dinner. I am going out, and after that I'll bake. When I'm baked, we're going to have a dinner. Okay, stay tuned. I made some salad for our dinner. This is it. This is the face of our salad. Hi again. So it's time for dinner. Yeah, this is my salad. I'm just gonna eat some salad. Salad itu bang salad. Oh, có xiêm na kha kong sulang tapu mo. This which include cabbage, tomato, cucumber, avocado, onion, sesame seed, salt. Other abang mapang mo adang. This is it for our dinner. Suna tu ka snacks ka hani talu ka gil kilo but yummy. Garlic lepang kayo. Garlic apang lam hakong again him. Almond lepang. Avocado chẳng những nhẹ là cái đầu bật sẽ lại xịn tùy vọt. Mà tùy vọt mà vọt mình cái bữa cái bắp đó. This is for our last meal, and this is the best meal. So good. Okay. Let's set it here. If you want to lose weight, lost weight thì là cho at least 8 hours over the gap ni jang ngai ka. Okay guys, that's all for today video. Ji tamon iching ta ga pani ta ting ka thil nek chu, but every day ha connect the banglo mo chum I used to mix up my food. In life. Ni bang ji kan ne ji na ji ki mix hi mo chang ne ni ta lam le rice ni thau tam pi chu lak chu ka wait ka los num ji ka kha rice ne lo phat ke chu. Okay, that's all. Ka pau tam na lo ta hi chan chu hi. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.